Hi everybody, today we're doing an unboxing of an iPad 11th edition. So Margot...
And an Apple Pencil.
Apple Pencil too. So Margot, you wanted to have a new iPad and you wanted to be able to do some drawings on it?
Yeah, on my drawing app.
So you decided to get an iPad and an Apple Pencil to do that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so are you excited to do the unboxing?
Yes.
Go ahead. So you want to begin with the Apple Pencil?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the new Apple Pencil that it's USB-C. So it's very nice to be USB-C so you can directly connect it to the iPad for charging.
Comes with lots of instructions.
Yeah, a lot of instruction. Pretty simple to configure. You only need to plug it to the iPad from the USB-C port. Because all of the iPad now, including the iPad, the regular iPad, comes with USB-C connection instead of Lightning since the 10th generation. So this is the 11th, just released a couple of weeks ago.
Oh, it's so nice.
Yeah.
It's like we're going to connect it to that.
Yeah, and look at that. You can see, you can plug the USB-C.
That's how they charge it.
Yep.
My friend's Apple Pencil, you take off the top and then it's like...
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you're ready to open the box?
Oh, that was satisfying.
So the new iPad comes with a chip that is the A16. So it's one of the latest chips from Apple. So that model is pretty powerful. The screen is around 11 inches. So you got a decent screen size. If you want, you can put it like that. Yeah. Wow. So this is one of the new colors. It's the blue. You can get
so pretty.
You can get the new iPhone and the new iPad, the new MacBook Air. They all come with this kind of silver blue. It's very, very beautiful. You got a stereo speaker on your iPad. And you're very lucky because the iPad comes with a USB-C charger. So you got a USB-C cable and you got the charger. So you will not need to buy a new one.
Oh, I have two.
Yeah, so you're lucky you have two now. Good things to know about the iPad 11 edition. You can buy the Magic Keyboard or the Keyboard Folio. So you have a magnet here port, so you can connect the keyboard and the cover.
Does it come with battery?
Of course, it's already charged at 70%.
70? Only 70?
Yeah.
Only? Oh, wait, no. It's not connected yet.
Yep.
So extra country. We're going to put...
Okay.
So where's America?
Thank you very much for listening and have a good day.